3 years after Congress passed the American Rescue Plan Act to fund pandemic relief across the country, the city of Bangor is still allocating its money.
Bangor has distributed almost $18 million from the program, but still has more than $2.5 million left. As News Center Maine's Katie Delaney reports, the city has decided what to do with that remaining money.
How do we best use that money to support the citizens of Bangor, who the money belongs to?
Bangor has already allocated nearly $18 million in COVID relief funding to addressing housing, homelessness, childcare, mental health, and more. Now, the city is planning to allocate its remaining funds to develop infrastructure that will support new housing projects.
Housing is at an extreme deficit across the state, not only in our community, but in every community surrounding us.
The city is planning to invest in sewer, water, electric, and roads to incentivize developers to create housing in Bangor. The city wants to support the redevelopment of a 10-acre parcel of land on Grandview Avenue to create housing for middle-income people.
What it's about is making sure that when new housing comes on the market, that it's meeting the needs of people in Bangor.
One organization that has already received ARPA funds for housing is Together Place Housing, which was allocated more than $300,000 to buy a new building to house more low-income adults with mental health challenges.
We have a lack of housing for people who have been chronically unhoused and may need support services around that.
Amy Rader, executive director of Maine Mental Health Connections, which works alongside the Together Place, is grateful that funds have gone towards supporting communities that need it.
So a tiny, tiny little expenditure of money can spiral outwards in wonderful ways and provide services for longer and longer periods of time.
The remaining funds will be obligated at the City Council's next meeting on August 12th. And any organizations that have received funding must spend it by December 31st, 2026. In Bangor, Katie Delaney, News Center, Maine.